Good morning, dear children. Today we will be doing future continuous tense. So, this tense is used to denote an action that will be in progress at some time in the future. The work will be done in some time. That means in the future we are going to do that work. The examples are I shall be traveling to Shimla tomorrow. Tomorrow here is used for the future. So in this future continuous tense we will be using shall be. Be will be used, right? Then Shreya will be giving her dance performance in the evening. Now in the evening again it's used for the future. So affirmative or positive sentence, the rules are subject plus will be, as I told you here also. Be will be used with will or shall. Will be, shall be plus in form of the verb will be using ing and the object. The example is I shall be waiting for you. Now for the negative, not is used for the negative. Subject plus will not be, shall not be, plus ing plus object. Now example is I shall not be waiting for you. Now for the interrogative, will or shall will become for in the beginning. Will or shall plus subject plus be plus ing and then object. Now shall I be waiting for you? Now be will be used here, right? Now the uses of future continuous tense. To indicate an action that has been planned, I have used the word planned, or is certain to happen in future. The work which is already being planned. For example, Ria will be joining a new school next month. Now it is already planned that next month she'll be joining the school. Now Raju and his friends will be playing cricket match with a neighborhood team next Sunday. Again, this is planned that on next Sunday they'll be playing a cricket match. The second one is to express a continuous action in future at given moment. That means as if even you think of that moment when I'll go there, this will be happening, right? The same thing is here. When I reach home, mother will be cooking dinner for me. So this is already in your mind that when you'll reach at home, your mother, she'll be cooking the food. By this time tomorrow, now you are thinking that what will happen the next day. Fine. By this time tomorrow, Megha will be sitting on the beach with her cousins. So one is for the planned and one is for the moment when the action will be taken place. So this was future continuous tense. Go through this.